Let's use some EFT tapping today to help connect with the feeling that I am enough. So, side of the hand, repeating after me, even though it might not always feel like it, I choose to open to the idea. Maybe I actually am enough. Even though there's so much messaging, maybe even experiences in my life that give me the sense that I need to do more and have more in order to be worthy or valuable. I choose to question that today and open up to the possibility that I am enough. And even though there may be some things that I want to change or improve, there's a big difference between having a vision or wanting to make adjustments and something being not good enough. And I choose to open up more and more to what it might really feel like to know deep in my being that I am enough. Okay, through the points now. I am enough. And I'm noticing any thoughts and feelings, any reactions in my body. That might not respond with total agreement or enthusiasm. And I can just welcome those feelings. What if I am enough? Welcoming all the ideas to the contrary, all the places they might have come from. You can say, okay, those are here. But does that mean they are all true? I am enough. Could that be a possibility? When I see a young child, they are going to grow taller. They are going to learn more than they know now. Does that mean that currently they are not enough? Do they become enough at a certain age? Maybe they're born enough. Maybe I am born enough. Maybe the more I welcome that feeling of what it would feel like to know I am enough, the easier it might be to grow and learn in the ways I want. I've grown and learned plenty in the past. And that's the beautiful paradox. I can always be evolving and always be enough. I choose to embrace this more and more. And anything that comes up to the contrary, I can just allow it to move through me and say, I choose to focus on what it feels like to be enough. Even if I have to imagine it, that's okay. I choose to look at myself with the same set of eyes that I look at when I see that young child or whomever I care about and say, you are enough as you are, and you will continue to learn and grow. I choose to take that view with myself. I am enough. I am enough. I am learning and evolving, and I am enough. Okay, take a breath. Hope it helps you. Hope it connects to the truth that you are enough. Hope you can begin to feel that. I highly encourage practicing this and really integrating it into your body, becoming more and more aware of this truth and letting it influence you in positive ways. Okay, have a good rest of your day or night, and take care.